Hello everyone, I am an urban explorer from Latvia, and today, while I was exploring an abandoned factory, I found abandoned car service with electricity and a lot of abandoned cars and trucks. So, happy viewing! Today we are going to visit one small factory which is abandoned. Oh, it's a car. But it is quite destroyed. No motor. Wow. BMW third series, a coupe. Well, it is quite popular car in Latvia. Probably it is an English car. Mercedes. Oh, probably it was an 8-cylinder motor, I guess. Or 6-cylinder motor. It's so dirty. And no wheels. Probably the thieves stole them. Oh, quite dusty. But looks quite comfortable. Nothing interesting. Some car parts are still here. So, this is, I guess, an Opel, a family one minivan. And it is also an England car. It's very dirty. A bumper and some car parts. Oh, two more cars. Yes, this was a car service. Well, It's also a car from Great Britain, from England, and it is with steering wheel on the right side. No steering wheel and everything quite dusty. And no motor here. Motor is standing here outside the car. This is the same model, I guess, Volkswagen family minivan, also from England. Oh, it's a key inside. Oh, it's quite a big car. Well, I guess nothing will happen, but who will know? Yes, probably there is no battery inside. So probably the owners of this service were buying cheap cars from England and selling parts from them in Latvia. Oh, it works. It works. So it is an electricity here. Wow. This is a surprise for me. So here are more of those cars. One more, this family minivan Opel, and also with a steering wheel on the right side. I need to be very careful because it might be a guard somewhere here. an Opel Omega, a van for winter drift with rear wheel drive. Look at this, it's a fire truck. Yeah, it's a real fire truck, but in very poor condition. Look at this, an abandoned truck. So, looks interesting. Oh. No steering wheel, but the cabin is big. One more car. Oh, it's a Mazda. It's even a bus here. So let's try to get inside the bus. Oh, it's easier than I thought. Oh, manual transmission, I guess. Many seats.